Hello viewers, today we're going to be refurbishing a set of Panasonic 5.8 GHz digital giga-range cordless telephones. So let's begin. We got 3 handsets to do. Let's see, which one of these handsets was kind of sticky. This one. So I'll do this one on video because my guess is this one will be the worst. So first we'll remove the clip, we'll remove the battery. It looks like somebody jacked up the cover here trying to get it open, so we'll fix that as well. Actually, we'll fix that right now. It's not a cosmetic fix, but it's makes it so it's no longer sharp. Here, so now you can hold this phone and there's no sharp pieces on there. Okay. So let's open this up here. Got 2 screws on the bottom that we're going to remove. We should be able to split this apart now. Looks like the antenna on these, is it really arbitrary? Huh, that's kind of comical if it is. I think the antennas on these phones don't actually transmit. That's kind of strange. But I don't see any antenna in here. Huh. I'm just not sure how it would connect if that's the LED right there. I don't know. That's just weird. Yeah, it doesn't look like anything's spilled. No, yeah, there's a little bit of chunk up at the top there, but this isn't all that bad. I'm not sure why that's not working. I have to take a closer look at that later. Looks like we got a washer for the microphone. Got the center button, battery contacts. Those will clean here. Okay. And then we'll also, actually, yeah, there is a fair bit of residue of something on here. Let's see, like on the 12 button, for instance. Can't see it too well in the video. You can kind of see it now. So, could just be normal dirt that's building up in here, but either way, we'll take care of that. So I'm going to go bring this stuff over to the sink, and we'll do some cleaning over there. And then we'll come back and do more cleaning over here. Okay, so now that the outside has been cleaned, we're going to go ahead and clean the inside. And all we're going to do on here is we're going to take some cleaning solution, and we're going to clean off the contacts here for the buttons, because they don't seem to be working very well. Okay, so now I do want to try to test this before I put it back together, just so I can see if the buttons are working better or not. It's going to be very hard because of the way the battery contact thing is. Okay, that does seem like it's working perfectly fine now. Okay, good. So now that that's fixed, we can begin the reassembly process. It seems a bit sticky, but I guess it doesn't matter because of the way this is designed. Okay, so put the buttons in place. Actually, let's do a zoom out here. Put the buttons in place. It all looks good. Very clean. Fantastic. Okay. Let's see, we gotta put the microphone thing back in there actually. Do that first, that would be good. Where does that go? No, that's where it goes, okay. Hopefully that's where it goes, I don't quite remember, but I think that'll be fine. Or actually, you know what I can do? Since we have multiple handsets here, I'll just open up another one real quick, and verify that that is where it's supposed to go. Of course, if I didn't have another handset, I could just look up on the video. Okay, yep, it does go on the bottom. Okay. Oh, it goes where I thought it went. And that's, I believe, where I put it. Yes. Okay. I'm also going to clean these contacts with the same cleaner I used on the buttons. Oh, I think those screws don't go on yet. Oh, I just lose another light. Ugh. Yeah, there we go. Another bulb burned out. Another wonderful CFL. Ridiculous. I'm gonna have to get all new bulbs for my recording chandelier. Hopefully this video isn't too dark because I ain't stopping to fix it. I'll take care of it another time. Alright, that looks to be good. Just make sure everything's working. Buttons are working nicely. Let's see if it's linked up yet. There's no line, but let's do an intercom here. Check. Okay, that's all good. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Oh, aside from all the feedback, that's working fine. Okay, so that's good to go. Put the clip back on. These clips are kind of cool because they're made so that when you put the phone down, it doesn't get all convoluted. It just sits nicely with that little tab there. I've never seen belt clips done like that before, so that's pretty cool. Alright, so that's it. One handset down, 2 to go. Can I get a before and after picture there? Alright, so I'm not going to do the other two on video because that would be redundant, so I'm going to go do the other two and then we'll be back on the video. Alright, so that's going to be it for this set. See, they're pretty clean though. The bases I just kind of wiped down. There's not really much to do with them. They're kind of scuffed up and whatnot, but nothing you can do about that. So same with this main base. But that's it, and these are now ready to go into service. Thank you for watching. Comment, subscribe, and out.